everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deep clean your sink. So the first thing that we're going to do is deodorize those drains, and we're going to do this by putting in 1 cup of bicarb soda or baking soda into the drain. And we're going to do that for all the drains we're wanting to deodorize, and then over that we're going to pour on a cup of vinegar. And then what we're going to do is we're going to allow that to just sit for half an hour and go ahead and do its work, and then we're going to come back and we're going to finish off. So after about half an hour, what you're going to do is come back and you're going to pour a full kettle of boiling water onto those drains, and that'll just flush all that baking soda and vinegar that's been sitting there doing the deodorizing down the drain. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to wash and buff. So I'm going to use a cream cleanser. Now this is a stainless steel sink, so if you have another type of sink, you may just want to find out what works best on those types of sink. I tend to find that this works really well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and rub that cream cleanser all over the sink, and that's just going to go ahead and make it all nice and shiny. One of the things that I found, I go to a lot of people's places, and when I look in their sink, around the drain, around the bottom of the sink, there's this like brown slimy buildup that builds up. And one of the ways that I stop this from happening is by deep cleaning my sink regularly in the same way that I'm showing you in this video, and it always makes it look brand new and nice and clean and beautiful. I do it about once a week, once a fortnight, just to get it nice and clean. And then once you've done that, all you need to do is rinse off that cream cleanser and wipe down the sink and dry it all off. And there we go. Your sink is beautiful, clean, deodorized. It's deep cleaned. It doesn't take very long, and it always makes your sink look brand new and shiny. I hope you like this video. I hope that you try this. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time for the next video. Bye.